Let's see how to allow camera access and fix your camera if it's not working on Instagram. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. If you try to upload something and see a camera access prompt or your camera doesn't work, don't worry. Just back out of your Instagram and open up settings. Then go to the app section and here you have to search for Instagram. And now from the list, you must have to make sure camera is toggle on and also from microphone it's turn on, and from the photo section, make sure it has a full access. But in here, if you still can't enable this option, the problem might be with screen time. So just go back to settings, then screen time, and from content and privacy restriction, make sure content and privacy restriction is turned off. This actually can sometimes block camera access. And now open up your Instagram again and try using the camera or uploading from your gallery and see it's work perfectly. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for your time.